Hello guys and welcome to Kitchen Colony. On this channel, I'll be bringing to you a taste of Jamaican inspired meals with a twist to suit every palate. Today I'll be preparing brown stewed fish. Please remember guys to hit that like button, it means a lot. Before we move on, let me just take this time to thank my subscribers, old and new, and also my viewers. Thank you for coming back faithfully every week. Now, brown stew fish is another well-loved dish in Jamaica, and there are lots of different ways in which you prepare it. Now, you may use any type of fish you like, but the most popular fish that is being used is snapper. Now today I'm going to prepare some snapper, and I'm going to do it the way we do it back home in Jamaica. Here's the fish we're going to need for the brown stew, and I've already cleaned and sliced, put slices, and this head was a bit too big so I cut it in two. And this is snapper fish. Now for fresh seasoning, we need some thyme, 2 cloves of garlic, a purple onion and a white onion too, some tomatoes. And I'm using the green habanero peppers because it's spicy and I wanted that. I don't have enough Scotch bonnet. And then I have some bell peppers, frozen bell peppers. Now in this bowl I have some julienne carrots. I cut them very small. You're going to need that. Here I'm using these spices. This is called za'atar. And it's a Mediterranean spice, and it has a lot of seasoning, or should I say herbs. And one of the herbs it has is a herb called sumac, which gives you a tangy kind of taste, and that's what I want. But if you have lemon pepper, it could work just as well. And I have a teaspoon of that. Here we have some black pepper, a teaspoon of complete seasoning, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, and here we have a teaspoon and a half of all-purpose seasoning. And as I said before, this is 60% salt, so that's what I'm using in place of my salt. It's 60% salt. And in this little bowl now, we usually put this in the oil when we're frying. A piece of Scotch bonnet, some pimento berries, and some garlic cloves, because it gives a nice flavor to the fish. Now I'm going to combine all the seasoning because I want a consistent blend. And then, in order for me to apply to the fish, I need to you can put water or oil, but in my case I'm going to put some oil because I want a little paste. About 2 teaspoons. Now remember, use whatever seasoning you like. Use whatever you like. I'm just combining to get a little paste going. Now we're going to season our fish generously, in and out. Now that we're finished, we put it away for 20 minutes to marinate. Now we're going to add enough oil to fry the fish. Enough so that it's not burning. We put our garlic in. We don't have to strip it because the garlic, we'll be taking it out later. And a piece of Scotch bonnet with some pimento berries. We're going to let that start burning in the oil. While that is going, we start chopping our seasoning, the fresh seasoning. Now this is what we want. So we're just pushing it to the side. We can leave it in the pot and take it out when we're ready. So I'm pushing it to the side. And it's time to place our fish. Now we fry it about 3 minutes on each side. So it's time to turn it now. Yes, that's what we're looking for. And we don't want it to burn because remember you have the seasoning on it and it will burn quickly, so you adjust the stove. 3 more minutes. Now I'm going to use a little bit of this. This is hot habanero peppers. So I'm using a little bit, half of it. Now, after 6 minutes, 3 minutes on each side, they're ready. So I'm going to remove them now. The idea is to fry them crisp so that when you're cooking it down with the water, it doesn't break apart because fish is very delicate. And now we are finished with these, we're going to take them out. This is done, we don't need it anymore. Remember to keep your stove medium high so that you don't burn the seasoning. Now in the same pot, I've removed some of the oil. I'm going to add my carrots. We're going to fry them quickly. Along with the carrots, I'm going to add all the onions. I'm going to add 2 cracked garlic, my thyme, and the tomato. And allow it to cook because the tomato will give us some juice so that the onion cook. It will cook the onions. Now that our seasoning is cooked, we're going to put some ketchup in the middle. And I put it in the middle because I want it to fry up a little. And then to this, I'm going to add a tablespoon of soy sauce. And this is light soy sauce. And this is very salty, so be very careful. Just my stove a little. Now we add about half cup of boiling water, or a little more, about a half cup, yeah. And we're going to allow that to boil for a little, and then we're going to add our fish. At this point, you'll be tempted to add some more seasoning. Please don't, because remember you seasoned the fish, and you don't know, and the seasoning is still on the fish. So give it the time to fry up for about 2 minutes, and then if you need seasoning at that point, you add it. Now we cover for about 5 minutes, we'll check it. 5 minutes after, now what we're going to do, remember we can't turn the fish because it's delicate, it will break. So what we do, we take some of the gravy from wherever and pour it over the fish. This only needs another 5 minutes, and we do that because it shouldn't take more than 10 minutes to finish cooking. So that's why you can't put too much water in it. And after we've done that, we're going to add our bell peppers. And then this is something that really enhances the flavor of fish. A little dab of butter, just a little bit. It does enhance the flavor of fish, trust me. We allow it to melt, and then we pour it over the others. Just allow it to melt. I'll pour it over the fish. And then we're going to add the green pepper. Remember, habanero, very spicy. So I'm just putting it on top. For those who want spice, you can have it, but I'm not going to let it cook in the gravy. And just going to sprinkle it on top. like that. And as soon as this melts, we turn our stove off. The butter has melted, and now I don't want my bell peppers to be cooked. So if you want yours to be cooked, fry it off with the onion. And I'm okay with it now, so I'm going to turn my stove off. Brown stewed fish is done. Now here you have it, brown stewed fish. Guys, it smells so good and it tastes just as good as it looks. It took less than 20 minutes and you can have this with anything you like. Or sometimes we used to have it on Sundays. You have it during the week, mashed potatoes with food stuff, ground provision. Whatever you like, you can enjoy this with. Brown stew fish. Enjoy. If you've enjoyed what you've just watched, then please give me a thumbs up, share my videos, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. I do enjoy making these videos for you, and I do appreciate your comments. Thank you all for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.